What's up, everybody, and welcome to another week of the #1 show on the television. You know it's all about Pree Dis, and of course, my name is Kruddy. Now, you know it's all about Christmas, and it's a Christmas edition of Pree Dis. We're here at Kingston Kitchen in Hope Gardens. You know, food, fun, family, music, and friends inside. Roll. Welcome to Pree Dis. My name is Kruddy. We're here at Kingston Kitchen. Now, we kick off this week's show with highlights from Immaculate Barbeque. Now, a whole bunch of stars were there, and you need to check out this one right now. Immaculate Barbeque, you're watching Pree Dis.
When they was in the school and in the prison, educate them about the man better than the prison. Don't know the phone, is him and I can ask him. Cause evidence, forward.
Because we've been down this road before. You know I'm not gonna look by your window. I'm not gonna do it. You know what I'm looking for. Boy, you should know. No man, it look like I can tell no line in your life. But I like how it looks. Rock with me now, Immaculate. Chop. Make me believe when you lie. Make me.
I see tears in her eyes, but she don't want to cry. Scared of the truth, so she living with the lie. Afraid of misuse, so she avoiding me, she not calling me. And no matter how hard I try, yo, and no matter how hard I try, it's just not enough for her. Well, Immaculate is always home for me. Them always show me a lot of love, so we just give thanks. We just always giving thanks and being humble with everything. You know what I mean?
In the Gideon, there's a trillion fires in my way. In the Gideon, I am heart is strong. I hear a guide way. In the Gideon, there's a trillion barriers in my way.
Once it's some lion pine on the air like this, watch and now, we tell them, oh, me if you trust I'm innocent. Hey, where you want to be, I curtain. I'm going to send them for them, send them on your friend, and when you check it out, them is a different person. And them no want to see you dribble like burden. And them want you live your life in a bed.
He will be your brother, man. Hold up your one and you sing the song, sir. It's already done. It's all. The victory is won. It's a woman back. I will not die.
Chicken get done. Get a get food, you want one. Don't say young but shell on me. I must be no shell. You must be mad, you are real no shell. CRIDEN. The answer your real name said. Party down where on the mountain. Can't the pass and ring the church then. I feel bright like up to me myself. This one at a long thing, back again. Me no fear.
Everybody now, skip to my Luna, skip to my Luna, skip to my. Everybody jump on to the new one, skip to my Luna, skip to my Luna, skip to my Luna. Bring it up, hey! When we see them, we have to pass them, but mind them, I mean.
How I do them, and everybody, look. Let me talk to my ladies then. I don't want to hear some no girl upon a bus back with no conductor. I engage in a raucous behavior. You must have high standards, don't? And we say education, don't? And we say people who look up to it, don't? So don't make the boy drown out, don't it? And you have some girls who will act like your friend and them bad mind you. And then invade you for the wrong things. Stay away from them. The teacher, your parents not telling you nothing that's right. You want to see them girl, they come out, you don't know what to tell them, say? Chronic, y'all. Hot girl that makes it no chronic. Cause them think I look good, you understand? And me say some of them smell like the bottom of the bar. Some girl, they shall see. How I do them? Some girl face like that Christmas. How I do
Now, another event that really delivered was Red Stripe Beer Vibe. Now, Beer Vibe, you missed one. I was on the red carpet doing a whole bunch of things because, you know, it's cruddy. Now, check this one because Pree Dis was also in the building. Red Stripe Beer Vibe.
Party, I don't know regular way. Girl dash way, I don't know regular way. Liquor drink, I don't know regular way. Ask the bar if the bill no pay. Everybody thinks say a Christmas.
This is all about Pree Dis, and we are here at Red Stripes Beer Vibe. Brittany Riley, Crystal Lee Walsh, and Mole from Pont Moright. They don't know the things that wonderful vibe, wonderful women. They don't know cruddy. That's all I do. I attract them. Now, Brittany, tell me how you're feeling tonight.
I'm feeling really good, you know. I'm really excited to see what is in store for me inside. So I'm just really waiting to go inside and feel the vibes.
All right, Crystal Lee, we have Sizzla Kalanchi on the lineup. We have DJ Rihanna, and a lot of people expecting a lot from her. What are you expecting from tonight's event?
Just great music, partying, fun, drinking, and just liming.
What's up?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm fine. You're looking fabulous, I must say.
Thank you.
Love the outfit. But, Erin, tell me about Red Stripes' involvement in Beer Vibes.
Well, you know it's called Beer Vibes, right? Yeah. So, Beer Vibes. Red Stripe had to be here. You know, the vibes is going on amazing, so we're very glad to be here.
Watch Pree Dis for the latest in entertainment and lifestyle. Right now we're here at Kingston Kitchen. We're going for our first commercial break. When we get back, we still have a lot more. Keep it locked.